I'm currently the sales manager at Prime Fluid Management. I'm also involved in managing the R&D department along with any product development, etc. We do a lot in the fluid management space for quarries, mines, civil, industrial and agricultural industry, a lot of methodologies and supply product. Problems we had initially were the sales team had no foundation to go back to. It was like sinking sand, there was no solid foundation. We also had very little accountability, very little structure, and no real sales process. It was a challenge. We were basically just order takers. SalesStar implemented firstly a lot around the sales process, gave us a more structure. Also relating to personal disciplines helped with holding people accountable, and we learned the importance of understanding the science behind the numbers rather than just floating off a whim. We had a lot more increased disciplines amongst the team where everyone was holding each other accountable as well. It was increased structure, accountability, and a bit more of a solid foundation to work off. We saw personal disciplines increase. We saw people willing to hold other people accountable. Also, we had a structure, sales process, and we knew our numbers, understood the numbers, and it's been a bit of a mind shift change throughout the whole team. I would definitely recommend SalesStar, especially if you've got a team that are remote, scattered around various parts of the country. It brings everyone together, it increases accountability, increases your chances of getting a sale, helps you understand how the numbers work, how your ratios work, your sales process and everything like that. Overall, I'd definitely recommend it to any company that's got a sales team.